Hello, welcome to the first episode of the Anthropology Study Group of Tech Milenio University. And today we're going to do a quick review of the anthropological theories through time. The first concept is anthropology itself. According to Mervyn Harris, anthropology is a study of humanity, of the ancient and modern people and their ways of life. In simple words, anthropology studies the human being in an integral way.
Afterwards, we have the concept of human. The human is the being that have the ability of feeling, create, and reasoning of the things around him.
Then is culture. Culture is, in general terms, everything that man creates, contains, and perpetuates, all the elements and mechanisms that allow man to live in society.
Now we're going to explain the theories.
The first school we are going to review is the evolutionist school. To make it simple, this school states that in order to develop, societies must go through several stages, like complete levels in a video game to finish the game. According to the American Lewis Morgan, the human societies have three stages of evolution. Those are lower savagery, higher savagery, barbarism, and higher stage of barbarism and civilization. The second school is denominated historical particularism. Historical particularism emerged as a reaction to the privileged evolutionary ideas, arguing that they were based on insufficient evidence. It was proposed to emphasize particular aspects of the singular history of. As the name said, the cultural characteristics were diffused from the society to another by the voluntary or involuntary contact. It caused that several societies share language, ideology, ways of things, religion, economy, among other elements.
The emphasis of this British current is on function. The duty of the anthropologist is to describe the functions of the customs and institutions for the society studied, means by which we come to understand its origins. The functionalism has a strong influence in the social sciences. Sociologists, as Emil Durkheim, make important researches since this particular way of seeing the culture. This posture sustains how it is possible to study an organism through its psychology and morphology. Also, it is the same way with the societies, understanding it of the next way. And the next school is neo-evolutionism. This school retakes the ideas of the evolutionist school and adds modern stuff. French structuralism. This school, represented by Levi Strauss from France, it uses an analogy to explain the origin of the differences and underlying pattern common to all cultures. And what marks the difference among them is the melody, understood as particular arrangement of or interpretation that each society makes of them, where the main interest is to understand said structure.
Now that we know the basic stuff about the anthropological theories, we are going to tell you what to consider the best school. Take in mind, even though it's not perfect, diffusionism, in our opinion, is the best theory. The culture of societies nowadays is a mixture of all the cultures around the world. With all the interaction that the countries have had on the years, like migration and conquest, all the nations have adopted characteristics of the other nation.
We are coming to the end of this program, so, in conclusion, we are going to propose our own theory. In the team, we have determined that our ideal version of a theory is a mixture between diffusionism and French structuralism. Our theory picks up the best of the two other theories. In diffusionism, we took the statement that says that some aspects of cultures are diffused by voluntary or involuntary interactions. In French structuralism, we took the analogy of symphony and melody.